Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really easy keto sweet treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate yogurt. It's really easy. We're just blending a couple of ingredients together, and I've also written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can pin, bookmark, save for when you want to make this keto chocolate yogurt. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try, how you enjoy your yogurt. So I will talk you through the ingredients that we've got here. I've got stevia, but you can feel free to use your sweetener of choice. I have got a natural yogurt, beautiful Irish natural yogurt. It was the lowest carb yogurt I could find at the store, but really use any low carb Greek yogurt, natural yogurt. Those tend to be the ones without sugars and added additional bits. And I've got cocoa powder, although you could use cacao powder, you can add in cacao nibs, anything you like. So we're just going to really mix these ingredients together, and we'll start by emptying our beautiful jar of yogurt into a bowl. The yogurt is in the bowl, and now we're going to add our cocoa powder and stevia. I'm starting with a good heaped teaspoon of cocoa powder and also adding in a teaspoon of our stevia. Now, of course, it depends how sweet you want your chocolate yogurt, how chocolatey. I like to start with a teaspoon of each. You might prefer to start with a tablespoon of each, but it's really a matter of mixing through the chocolate and the stevia. And you could also add in a bit of vanilla, a bit, as I said, cacao nibs to have that almost chocolate chip kind of experience. You can grate a bit of actual chocolate, 90% dark chocolate. Grate some chocolate, chop some chocolate into it for your chocolate yogurt. But it's totally up to you how you want to do it. As I said, start with a little teaspoon of each and then add more to taste, but that's pretty much it. So I'm going to taste and see. It tastes like chocolate yogurt. When I was growing up in South Africa, I remember having a chocolate yogurt, and that just, it just got that flavor to it. But yep, add more sweetener, more cocoa powder, anything you like, and check down below for the blog post where I'll have all of the information and some more ideas for flavor adaptations. You can, of course, instead make a berry yogurt, add some stevia to sweeten up the plain natural yogurt, and add some chopped berries or add some lemon curd. Really, whatever yogurt you usually enjoy, just have it with low carb, just adapt a little bit. So thank you so much for watching this video for this easy keto yogurt. I know it's really easy, but maybe it's given you some ideas to go and have a lovely sweet treat that's low carb and keto friendly. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which you can pin, bookmark, and save for whenever you want to make this keto chocolate yogurt. And remember to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this chocolate yogurt a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.